Let's break down these terms. Reconcile. This means to restore friendly relations between people or groups who were previously in conflict. It's about making peace and finding common ground. Example: after years of conflict, the two countries finally agreed to reconcile and work towards a peaceful resolution. Truce. This is a temporary agreement between opposing parties to stop fighting or arguing. It's a pause in hostilities, often to negotiate or reassess. Example: the warring factions declared a truce to allow for peace talks. Estranged. This describes a situation where people who were once close are now distant or alienated from each other. It often implies a breakdown in relationship and communication. Example: he felt estranged from his old friends after moving to a different city and losing touch. These terms cover different aspects of relationships. Reconciliation is about mending. Truce is about pausing conflict. And estranged is about distance and separation. Each reflects different stages in the dynamics of relationships, don't you think?